What is going on, everybody, and welcome to this comparison video between the Apple Watch Series 4 and the Apple Watch Series 5. My side-by-side comparison of last year's models was a huge success, so I wanted to make a follow-up which should help you decide whether you should get the Series 5 or not. There are a couple of changes from last year's model to the Series 5. The biggest one though is the Always-On display. Apple calls it LTPO OLED Always-On Retina display, so by reducing the refresh rate from 60Hz down to 1Hz, they are able to realize that the display can show your watch face in a kind of dimmed state even when your wrist is lowered. Additionally to that, they also have a dedicated ambient light sensor, a display driver and a power management integrated circuit below the display, which should help to keep the battery life the same 18 hours than in previous models, and the display has the same brightness than last year's model. The next feature in the Series 5 is the built-in compass, which will allow you to navigate more exactly in the integrated Maps app, and they also added a compass app and allow developers to use the function in their apps. The cellular model of the watch has now built-in international emergency calling in over 150 countries of the world. This could be a nice feature for people who do extreme sports or travel a lot, for example. The processor is still a 64-bit dual-core, up to 2 times faster than the Series 3, so it's very likely that the processor is about the same than in the Series 4 or just got a little upgrade. Oh, and by the way, Apple upgraded the internal storage to 32GB instead of 16 in the Series 4. The last thing to mention is that there are some new case options. Titanium and ceramic join the lineup, but as you can imagine, these materials have their price and start at $799 for the titanium model in 40mm with the sport loop. After all, it's up to you if these changes justify the upgrade to the Series 5. For me personally, the changes are not enough to upgrade. I never missed a compass on my watch, and to be honest, the always-on display might be nice as your watch looks more like a real watch instead being black when you lower your wrist, but is that feature really worth getting the Series 5? I also never had an issue with storage on my watch, so that 32GB are nothing which gets me hooked either. So if you ask me, if you are on a Series 4, it's not worth the upgrade. Better save your money and wait for a bigger upgrade, hopefully next year. If you're still on a Series 3, then I would definitely recommend getting the Series 5. The bigger display alone is worth the upgrade in my opinion. Check out my comparison between the Series 3 and Series 4 if you're interested, as the Series 4 has the same dimensions than the Series 5. Let me know what you think about the new Apple Watch Series 5 and if you think it's worth the upgrade in the comments below. If you liked what you've seen, leave a like, subscribe to my channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any videos like this in the future. Thanks everyone for watching and see you next time.